In this episode, we're going to learn about hallway safety. It's important to be safe in the hallway, yet, what does that look like? When you're in the hallway, you should be walking. If you need to get a drink of water from the water fountain, wait your turn in line. If there's an emergency like a fire drill, you need to get to the nearest exit in a single file line. And remember, no talking. When you're coming down the stairs, make sure that you're walking down the steps one step at a time. Make sure that when you're in the hallway that you are looking at where you're going. There might be a spill on the floor. Now that we've learned about hallway safety, let's see if you can identify what to do. What is she doing right? What do you think? You're right. She's walking in the hallway. What are they doing right? What do you think? You're right. They're waiting in line for water. I hope you liked this lesson on hallway safety. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.